In today's video, we're diving into some exciting tech news from the defense world. BAE Systems is rolling out a brand new Dual Band Decoy system to protect U.S. Navy fighter jets from enemy missiles. Let's break it down. This Dual Band Decoy is a cutting-edge system designed to keep fighter jets safe from enemy attacks. It's an upgrade from the already proven AN/AL-55 fiber-optic towed decoy, ensuring aircraft can survive even the riskiest missions. The tech behind it jams enemy radars and confuses incoming missiles, making sure our jets stay out of harm's way. So, what makes the AN/AL-55 so effective? Developed by BAE Systems, it's an advanced electronic warfare system that boosts the survivability of military aircraft. The fiber-optic towed decoy emits powerful jamming signals, diverting radar-guided missiles away from the aircraft. This system is connected to the aircraft's electronic warfare equipment via fiber-optic cable, allowing real-time communication and control. It's battle-tested and recognized for its effectiveness in high-threat environments, providing essential protection and significantly increasing mission success rates. BAE Systems' Advanced Compact Electronic Warfare Solutions product line director says, "With the Dual Band Decoy, we are building on the long-standing success of the AL-55 as a powerful jamming system." The Dual Band Decoy offers broad capabilities, can be installed on various aircraft, and upgraded to counter future threats. The DBD system is packed with custom BAE Systems integrated circuits, delivering superior performance while reducing size, weight, and power consumption. This makes it a key part of BAE Systems' Intrepid Shield strategy, aiming to create a protective sphere around platforms in contested environments by using the entire electromagnetic spectrum to detect, exploit, and counter advanced threats. The first deployment of this advanced tech will be on the U.S. Navy's FA-18E/F Super Hornet aircraft, with development and production happening at BAE Systems facilities. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech and defense news. See you next time.